My name is Ira Smith, President of Ira Smith Trustee and Receiver Inc. First, we hope that you and your entire family are remaining safe, healthy, and secure during this coronavirus pandemic. Ira Smith Trustee and Receiver Inc. has been and continues to be fully operational. Both Brandon Smith and myself are holding all meetings by telephone or video chat. So if you have any questions at all about this Brandon blog or anything else, shoot us a message, give us a phone call. We would love to hear from you. Today's Brandon blog is called What Does the Bankruptcy Trustee Investigate? Simple Rules Explained by a Toronto Trustee. The impetus for Brandon writing this blog was that yesterday we received a phone call from a family law lawyer, a friend of our firm, who asked a very simple question about disclosure requirements for someone filing either a proposal or for bankruptcy. So I hope you can watch until the end of this video, because I know you will get value from it. As I said, the reason Brandon wrote this blog is because of a query we received from a family law lawyer. The family law lawyer advocating on behalf of his client, who is claiming a constructive trust in the home of his spouse, who he is now divorcing. The only problem is that he did not claim that potential asset in his insolvency filing. Now the family court judge is asking why he did not disclose it to the licensed insolvency trustee, and is raising questions about the client's credibility in the family law proceeding. So by not having disclosed it, he may have literally screwed himself in his family law claim. So Brandon thought about the issue and wrote about what does the bankruptcy trustee investigate. First, some basic primer information. What is a bankruptcy trustee? Why you should tell the bankruptcy trustee before filing in your initial no-cost consultation all the information you have, anything you're thinking about doing, especially if it's concerning transferring or selling assets. The trustee can advise you why it may or may not be a good idea, which of your assets are exempt in Ontario, which are not exempt, what problems you may be buying for yourself, and how to take your entire situation and what your end game goal is in order to devise a plan that will get you to what your end goal is without getting you into trouble. Brandon talks about PIPEDA information and why third parties are able to divulge your personal information to a licensed insolvency trustee, and what privacy issues the licensed insolvency trustee faces regarding his or her own clients. Then Brandon answers the question, can I sell my stuff before filing bankruptcy? And what the problems may be if you do that. Brandon then goes on to discuss what a bankruptcy trustee investigates and looks for in bank statements. Red flags the bankruptcy trustee looks for at the meeting of creditors. and what happens when the bankruptcy trustee suspects fraud. So I hope you can read the entire blog below because I know you will find it informative. Again, Ira Smith Trustee and Receiver Inc. is fully operational. Both Brandon Smith and myself are available to answer any questions you may have about this Brandon blog or anything else at all. Shoot us an email message, give us a phone call. We would love to hear from you. Again, we hope that you and your entire family remain safe, healthy, and secure during this coronavirus pandemic.